Hello all, Jai Jagannath. My name is B.B. Lakshmi Patra. Today topic is Independence Day. The day India became independent. The day of 15 August 1947 has been embossed in the golden history of India. It is the day when India got its freedom from 200 years of British rule. It was a hard and long struggle in which many freedom fighters and great sacrifice they lived for our beloved motherland. India celebrates its Independence Day the 15 August every year. However, this year the auspicious day is being celebrated as 76 Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav 2023. Independence Day, called the Red Letter Day in the history of our country, is celebrated as a national holiday throughout India. Independence Day 2023 helps us remember every one of the significant solemnities of India independence history. Independence Day 2023 helps us remember every one of the penance our political dissident made to liberate India from British rule. On 15 August 1947, India was announced free from British imperialism and turned into the biggest vote-based system, the largest democracy in the world. History of Independence Day. In 1947, on 15 August, India for about 200 years, we won freedom for British Raj after a hard struggle on this day. At the stroke of midnight, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, unfurled the national flag at the Red Fort the first time. It marked the end of the 200 years old British reign in India. We now breathe air in a free and sovereign nation. The British have governed India for about 200 years under British colonization. The life of every Indian was dismal and full of struggle. Indians were treated as slaves and had no freedom of speech. Indian rules were puppet in the possession of British officers. Indian fighters were dealt with clarity in British camps, and farmers were starving as they could not grow crops and needed to pay substantial law tax. On this special occasion, the people of India remember the selfless sacrifice and unparalleled contribution of great men and women to achieve the independence of India. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Abdul Kalam Azad, Sardar Patel and Gopabandhu Das are paid reverent homage by one day all in the country. Great Indian freedom fighters. India could not have acquired independence without the efforts of numerous extraordinary freedom fighters. Bharat Singh, Rani of Jhansi, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Ram Prasad Bismil and Ashfaq Ullah Khan are some of the notable names. Role of women in India's independence. Several women have played a significant part in the India freedom movement. Savitribai Phule, Mahadevi Verma, Rani Lakshmibai and Basanti Devi are just a few. India will commemorate it past this Independence Day and will also lay plans for the future. It is now in the hands of India youth to save and from the future of our country. Thank you.